All right, so if you're looking for a tarp replacement, this is perfect. This is a 10 by 10, very thick, and also at the end you got these stripes. We're gonna set this up today and see how it looks on our actually current one we have. We have one that's busted, which is damaged, so we're replacing it with this one. This is with Velcro on every corner. You guys can see that. Double cover for the top for ventilation can go. Every single corner safed. It has a little strong Velcro, extra ties, extra stitching here. And it has for any air or water retention to actually not build up. I like these rivets. I built these most of the times on my own on the ones that I have, but this one came out perfect. It comes with it. You guys can see, good nice tent. This is for a 10 by 10. It's perfect for a 10 by 10. I like the actual lining of it. Gives you the extra security. This is it before we actually set it up. You guys can see that. Perfect fit, a 10 by 10. So if you have a 16 one, that 10 by 10 with the double layer on the top, that's the little umbrella that goes in for airflow to come in. Very simple to set up. I'm gonna raise it up now and see how it works. Just make sure you tie all these ends, all right? There's some Velcro in here. If you guys can see that, Velcro needs to be tied down. But other than that,